What if the ground beneath your feet didn't just shake? It vaporized the oceans, cracked the planet in half, and blew up the sun. That's not a disaster movie. That's just math. Let's talk about the earthquake scale and why it has no limit. The scale has no ceiling. Most people think the Richter scale goes from 0 to 10. Wrong. There is no top, there is no bottom. The scale most scientists use today is actually called the moment magnitude scale. But the idea is the same. Every whole number up means roughly 32 times more energy released. We usually hear about earthquakes between magnitude 3 and 9. A magnitude 9 is already catastrophic enough to measurably slow down Earth's rotation. 2 magnitude 9 plus earthquakes this century each shortened the length of a day by a tiny but real fraction of a second. So what happens if you just keep going? The unthinkable numbers. A magnitude 10 earthquake would require a fault line 3,500 kilometers long. A magnitude 11? That fault would stretch halfway around the world. A magnitude 15 earthquake would be 1,000,000 times more powerful than that, releasing enough energy to evaporate every ocean on Earth. No water left, no tsunamis either, for what it's worth. A magnitude 18 would release energy equal to Earth's own gravitational binding energy, the force holding the planet together. That's the point where Earth doesn't crack, it explodes. Fans of a certain space opera will recognize this. The Death Star delivered roughly a magnitude 18 earthquake to Alderaan. The Sun? It can handle up to a magnitude 24, roughly equivalent to detonating every hydrogen bomb ever made, packed tightly into the entire volume of Jupiter, all at once. A magnitude 25 quake? That destroys the Sun. The other direction nobody talks about. Here's the twist. The scale goes down just as infinitely as it goes up. What does a magnitude 0 earthquake actually feel like? What about -5? -15? Let's find out, starting right at your house. Magnitude 1, equal to dropping a fully loaded cement truck 10 meters onto the pavement outside your home. Magnitude 0, an entire NFL team, full speed, crashing into your neighbor's garage wall. Magnitude -1, one football player running head first into a tree in your yard. Magnitude -2, a cat falling off a dresser. Classic. Magnitude -3, a cat knocking your phone off the nightstand. Classic. Magnitude -4, a penny sliding off a dog's back. Magnitude -5, one keystroke on a heavy mechanical keyboard. Magnitude -6, one keystroke on a cheap, lightweight keyboard. Magnitude -7, a single feather drifting to the floor. Magnitude -8, one grain of sand settling to the bottom of a tiny hourglass. Magnitude -15, a speck of dust coming to rest on a table. From a speck of dust to a dead star, the same scale measures both. And somewhere between those two extremes, we live our entire lives on a planet that's been shaking before we arrived and will keep shaking long after we're gone. If that doesn't make you feel both small and fascinated at the same time, watch it again.